Yo guys, what's up, silverGameOfThrones here. Gold unboxing today. So if you see my channel guys, you know that I like gold Russian rubles, okay? So I am hunting them, and here we have a new example. It's IU uncirculated from UpMax. I love UpMax. How they screw me yesterday. Have you seen my video when they sent me empty box? Okay. Gonna see next week what's going on with this UpMax. So this is a gold ruble. You know, they're rare. From time to time you can see them. Oh, I got two. Yeah, I start forgetting things. Yeah, I ordered two of them. They're rare. From time to time you still see them. And it's good that it's not empty, right? Yeah, life is short. So yeah, so you can see here we are getting Russian gold rubles. And it's IU conditions that it's mentioned IU condition, right? So the price I pay below $300. So I consider myself, whatever you see below $300, it's a good deal. So I grab them all. You know, they are very rare. If you see them below $300, it's a good deal, because on eBay they between $350 and $400 today. Here you are getting your confidence, right? Because you are getting from UpMax, and you know what you are buying, and you know there is no any surprises, right? Where on eBay, I am experienced buyer, I know what I'm buying, but still, you know, it can be any surprises. So what I got 1900, and this is also 1900, okay, which is good. So let me open them and see what is inside. I don't know, camera is a little bit tricky. Open and see what is inside. Gold ruble are rare, and they have historical value. And to see all these gold rubles, and of course they are not justifying, you know, what you see. Very nice condition, very nice condition as far as I can see. I will be doing my validations. Yeah, 5 rubles. Historical value, very old. You see, it's 120 years old, and you have it all here. You have the gold, you have the Tsar era, and you have you know, numismatic value, and yada yada yada. So, like, if I buy gold, I better buy gold in like this. You see they have F. I need to validate which year for F. You see F here, FZ, FZ. Okay, because all of them are unique and have special characters on the back. You see this one have also FZ in Russian. Okay, FZ, this is how you can see additional feature, you know, to recognize if it's a legit or non-legit. Okay, 5 rubles. 1900, very good condition. I usually, if I see they're a little bit dirty, I am not cleaning, but I'm washing them, you know, just washing them with soap a little bit, because you see these edges a little bit dirty, you know. It doesn't, you know, you doesn't scratch them, you know, it's not scratching them, but it just makes them a little bit more cleaner, you know. When you just wash, not scratch, do not scratch. Okay, this is what I'm doing from time to time. You see a little bit dirty here, so I hope, you know, just wash it a little bit and with the soap. Okay, that's nice. So we are going to do some more validations, okay, for you guys. Wait a moment. Okay, so here we go. This is how I'm checking my gold. You see, I put setting on 90% copper, okay, because this is usually the gold coin from Europe, from Russia, they are 90% or 91.7. This is 90%. And this is how I'm checking, you see. You see the middle of bracket. You see 90%. So far so good. You know, the Upmax will not mess up with fake coins, so you know, I'm not worried about this. This is original coin. Also, I'm doing my own validations, you know, like I say, there are some specific characters like FZ on the back side, you know, so this way I know this is original gold, okay? Baby gold, baby gold. Quarter ounce of gold almost here, so, but it's historical, so always increase the value, okay? So now going to encapsulate them. Okay, so I'm back and I finally put them in 18 inch capsule, and you know, they're a little bit wobbling, a little, so it's okay. I think it's okay. This way it's a little bit better, right? Because it's just too tight, you know. I tried, but it's just too tight. So here we go. Added 2 gold rubles to my stack. Stack is not whack, so like Silver 5150 said. And voila, guys, keep stacking, and trust me, one day you will be rewarded, okay? Even if this, you know, they are fishing game, they go up, they go down, you know, but I'm watching this in last 5-6 years, I'm in profit, okay? So I don't care, you know, the temporary, they can go down, but on long term, I know gold, silver is a big win, okay? The big win. Much better than any, no, I don't say much better than any other asset, like Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, but what I try to say, there is no third party here, okay? So it's just you and a buyer, okay? So it's very easy to sell when you want. Okay, guys, so silverGameOfThrone was with you, sharing with you my new purchase. The obverse is so beautiful, guys. This is one of the best coin around here. 5 rubles. Beautiful coin. You need to see it in person, you know. Very nice. Especially such coin, you know, IU condition. Almost no damage, so very nice, okay? So silverGameOfThrone is always hunt the best of the best, okay? All the best, guys. Bye, and if you like, subscribe, hit notification, share. Bye.